time is money. When your truck breaks down, you need to get back on the road quickly. You can't waste time talking to a call center or fumbling through online searches. That's where TruckerBux comes in. The mobile app making it easy for owner-operators, carriers, and repair service providers to get the job done quickly, easily, and securely. With TruckerBux, there's no middleman. When a roadside breakdown occurs, simply open the app to view nearby qualified service providers, create a service request with ease, and describe the issue. Even provide photos. Then request repair or tow quotes and times of arrival, and select the best one. The tech will be routed to your exact location and get straight to work. Fast, right? Once the job's done, our in-app secure payment options make invoicing and payment a breeze, with added fraud protection powered through Stripe. Drivers get back on the road quickly. Carriers get peace of mind and a streamlined solution to handle roadside breakdowns. Service providers get new customers. And there is no additional cost to use the app. Just one easy place to make roadside repairs and payments happen. Proudly built by a team with over 50 years in the U.S. trucking industry. Sign up for your free account today at TruckerBux.com or download TruckerBux from the App Store or Google Play to get started. TruckerBux, faster repairs, secure payments, no hassle.